Hey everybody, 12:02, 5 seconds, March 2nd, Saturday. This is the Tomb of Dracula, issues 1, 10, and 13. Over here are the 19 filled spots. Cody has a customer in his store right now, so I'm going to vouch for him on his 4 spots. Stand-up guy. So here we are. Number is 12. Going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list gets all 3 books, and they will ship on Monday, which is the 4th. Pending storm. There's supposed to be a bad storm here tomorrow night going into Monday, so I might not actually get these out until Tuesday. I just figured I'd say that. Just popped in my head. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12, spot 4, Rob Peak. Congratulations. Time is 12:02, 12:03, and 3